Hey guys, we're back in Euro Truck Simulator. I fast traveled back to the Netherlands. I kinda... How do I say this? I just need 16. I kinda picked up some DLCs. In a way that, like, they're small ones, but they're cool. First is like the Scania tuning pack, and the next one's an essential. It's... Well, you can see I have the mega pack, but like this. That phone says American Truck Sim. Why can't that be in Truck Center? That's cool. But like you see, I added. Oh my god, I can't speak. I got the interior, the cabin pack. Yeah, I picked up those. So yeah. I don't know. I don't know. I like Euro Truck Sim. I like Scania too. Even though they're a product of Volkswagen, which is a product of International. International is a product of Volkswagen. Every good thing has its downsides. I don't got a V8, so we'll do that. I don't understand why V8 is such a big deal. A V8 is your average car. Who knows? But yeah, this is our truck. Yeah. It's not fancy, but it does the job. Where's that? This, yeah. I want this truck to be blue. I didn't test out the navigation there. It just worked for me. It just doesn't work. Also, we gotta sleep. So we'll go over by the other. Nice. I think that's an 09. I think it's a 2009 model. I want it to be. Well, we can start at 5 a.m. We'll see what the loads are like. Yeah, it's a 2009 model. Yeah, these are jets. It's like, I swear to God, I hear jets. Tires. To Castle, Germany. That'll pay off our debt. We'll take it. We will definitely take it. This will probably be a, I won't say a quick episode, but I'll probably only do one load this episode. It's AM. And it's bright out. Do I still need my lights on? I'll still do it. Who cares? I still think it's mandatory. Yeah. There's a train. But, yeah. I am enjoying this. It's different than American Truck Simulator. Yeah. Video come out Friday. flicker was on. Rocky Mountain doubles, I guess is what we're taking. That's what they're calling in America. There's Rocky Mountain doubles. So, yeah. Definitely air up as much as we can. Alright, here we go. Don't want to go too fast. Take damage. I can definitely kill it. So, it's 350 kilometers. What does the A stand for? Does it say? Border crossings. No border crossings. But, yeah. I'm thinking of... I got you. Yep, I got you. I just remembered it. Expressways, motorways, slippers. That was it. I was talking to myself. I said gotcha. I don't know why I did that. So a lot of people ask questions about my G29, and I will say it's a great wheel. It's gonna be a little weird, but do not use this wheel when you got socks on. Your socks will get caught on the pedals, like in the pedal module thing. And when that happens, to get it free, you gotta accelerate. Remove the pedal. And all that stuff. Yeah. Probably don't call it Jake's in Europe, but that's what I'm calling it. I gotta disable that mod. These skins are messed up on these fans. Interesting. I think I want an S. I think that's the taller one. S. So, yeah. Lost enough regular trip time, probably a week and a half. So I'm on vacation, so yeah. It's weird getting back into it. Not that I'm not enjoying it, I'm having fun. It's just weird. Getting used to it. I like that. It's variety between America and Europe. I know America takes the big chunk. Now I'm implementing some other games here and there, but yeah. bad. I went to the... What did I get over? And turn up here. What I will say, I don't know if American Truck Sim does. I don't think it does. Yeah, a lot of it. I like how over here in this game, like if you have your cruise set to like 80 and we got up to 90, I can turn on my jigs. The jigs installed. I think American Truck Sim doesn't use so much harder. It uses something that doesn't use so much brake necessarily. It may do. It just sounds weird. Have we just left Amsterdam, and here's where we enter Germany. Cool. trucks to use in the jigs. That's a cool feature on Scania. Dude, it's only 10 and it feels like it's midnight. But I got up at freaking noon because I was sleeping. keeping its speed. Say that it's peaceful. About to be in Germany. It'll be my first time in Germany. At least in the save. I don't know. When I first started playing, I never really played this. Before this, I had like 13 hours on this game, I'm pretty sure. So I don't even know how many hours left to introduce 15. But we'll be playing it a lot, probably around 16 now. I was zoned out on my accelerator. Clutch doesn't matter, so I can rest my foot on that. Because I got my cruise set. Jinx, man. Oh yeah, they will. still pay off my debt though, I don't care. It's fine. I should have braked. I'm super sensitive. That's a fire truck. Fire truck. Sure that's what that says. Me over here trying to speak German. That could be a whole video in itself. American tries to pronounce names in different countries. I know Euro Truck sound. What town is this? No clue. Are we? No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. We are racing this freaking train next to us. This cable car. They're gonna beat me because they got a head start. Yep, they won. Dang. I tried. Ha, but you gotta stop for the train station. But so, now you go and turn around. Oh my god, we're out of town. Can we just go already? What's that say? Stopped in an instant. It's a Scania trailer. My truck have a symbol. Looks like Starlink, but yeah. It's like a satellite. Future proof, get over it. Thanks. Oh yeah. What the freak? What happened to you? Whole time I'm trying to get fuel for this truck. When I looked at the liters, it said this truck had like 300 gallons. I don't know if that's right, but if it's for a base truck in Europe, holy cow. Because this is base model. This is like as low as it gets. Gas station. Excuse me. It's a no pass. What are you doing? Jesus Christ. Why are you on the wrong side of the road? Here, I'll just do the same thing. Already 30 more kilometers. One load. I'm tired, that's why I'm quiet. I hope everyone's had a great day. Comment, like, and subscribe. Any ideas? You know? Literally come out of nowhere, this traffic light. Obviously, I'm not going to cut the video until we deliver. But, yeah. right away. I'm pretty sure that's a good sign. Oh, cool. We're going to like these hilly back roads. You know, some hills in the town. This is kind of cool. Going uphill. I felt it. It looks like a 16E or a 13. Well, 7 more kilometers and it's pull up. Why don't they put this traffic lights like across the street? Sorry, man. Go and Coke. Worry when this car goes, I don't know to go. Yeah, no one's coming, by the way, so you could just turn green. There's a Scania across the street. Supposed to get to, yeah. Oh, 7%? Are you serious? It's okay. Don't know that. The reason I didn't want to take out that sign, but I just should have. It's fine. How we learn lessons with the used truck, so when we get the new one, stuff like this doesn't happen. I'm here at the right spot, right? Oh, you just gotta get super close. Cool. Well, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. But before we go, let's apply this and that. Cool. Well, bye.